Alright guys, what's up?
What is up?
We're coming at you with a vlog in our basement today. We're not at the kitchen table because we are working on this
tirelessly
giant built-in. We've been working all week on it. If you've been watching us on Instagram, you know all about it. So go ahead and follow us. It's at White Grain Woodworking. But that's what we've been up to this week. So there's really not a whole lot to say. This is the biggest project that we have ever tackled, and it's starting to show.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Lots of little mistakes that truncate into bigger errors.
Yeah, it's like you get one step down, realize you made a little mistake.
It still looks great here.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
It looks good.
The trim looks wonderful, I think. You turn it around and show them the trim.
Anyway, yeah, so we got this whole desk that runs the entire span of the wall, but I was 1 inch short, and that really upset me because...
Set him off!
I measured it like 5 or 6 times, and... I knew it was, well, I thought it was right, but apparently it wasn't, so I had to make a little extra inch long thing. It looks fine. You'll never know.
It worked.
But yeah. And it's hard, right? Cuz like you get this far into a big project like that, and it's just kind of depressing because you think, "Oh, I'm doing great and nothing's going wrong," and then all of a sudden like 8 things go wrong.
It takes so much time at the beginning too to like plan it all, and then you get to this point. I don't blame you.
Yeah, but anyway, it still looks great. We're just being super critical because we've just been staring at it all week.
We look at it and we're like, oh, that's where we were off on the holes. Oh, that's where we were off on the siding. That's where, and somebody else is going to look at it and be like, you made this? So, I mean.
Yeah, so we're still excited. It still looks great. It's just, we're perfectionists, so. Yeah. Anyway, all right, that's the update for this week. Perry is banished into the room.
Yeah.
Little Perry, when we first got into this house, I was painting a wall, and I didn't think it would be a big deal to keep him out. And he just jumped right into the paint pan and just paw prints all over the house. So
still got some in our shower.
He's
a souvenir.
He's been banished to the hot water heater
room. I was about to say the water heater room.
So he's over there. Bruce is upstairs. We got a little baby gate to keep him from coming downstairs. But anyway, yeah, 2.5 minute vlog. That's all we got going on this week.
Now we're going to take like an hour out of our day to go to a housewarming party for some friends and probably come back and do some more of this.
All day.
Well, that's what tomorrow's going to be. All day tomorrow.
Yeah, we should be finished with it tomorrow, and then videos should start coming out in a week or two. I've got a couple things in the pipeline for palette projects. Because, oh my gosh. So filming this, we just got our new camera, the GH5, which I didn't even mention last vlog.
That's exciting.
Yes, we have a new camera.
What have we been doing? Yeah.
We spent a bunch of money on a new camera, and it's really nice. So, anyway, but it shoots in 4K, and I was like, oh, let's do this whole project in 4K. Well, it filled up my 1 terabyte hard drive pretty quick. So I had to drop it down to 1080p, and I'm using secondary and like older hard drives that I haven't used in a long time just to hold the footage. So hopefully we'll get it done, get it through the pipeline. I can delete all the old footage, but anyway, a bunch of nerd stuff you don't care about. Anyway, all right, that's all we got going on this week. So again, if you want to keep up to date, follow us on Instagram. Otherwise, we will see you on Monday with our next video.